Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Gina. Today I have a haul from an estate sale. We don't get those very often in our area. This was a really nice estate haul. The home was beautiful. The furniture in there, it was mostly antique and gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I wish I could have bought it all, but I couldn't. It was really high price. It was probably very well worth what they had marked for it. And oh, the stoneware, like the mixing bowls and stuff. Oh my goodness. It was just beautiful. She was a collector. She was a quilter. There was so many quilts, but they were gone before I ever got in the door. They were like scooped right up, but they were on the shelf, you know, or the whole shelf, and oh, they were beautiful quilts. But oh, it was everything. I'm going back tomorrow with my friend because she couldn't go today. She was out of town, so we'll see what's left. 20% off tomorrow, but anyway, I went today, so I'll show you what I got. The first thing I got was these envelopes. We're gonna open these. We'll open them down here. I like to open them where I can still keep them in here. These were $1. I mean, I don't love them, but I figure there's probably places that I can cut out of them, you know. You don't have to use them out of whole. And I'll give them out to my friends, too. They might love them. I've got some friends that, you know, I share envelopes with. Envelopes. These are not envelopes. Oh, see? Those are pretty. Yeah. I love this part. I love the bird here. I'm not crazy about this one, but hold it up closer for you. Hold it a square up closer. They're pretty. They're from TJ Maxx. So, I like those. $1. I'll get that much use out of them if I don't, my friends will. I'm going to put this off to the side to go through last. She had patterns. For it, and the patterns were $1 each, so I thought that was a very good price. There's this one, and they're a lot of them are in good enough shape, I think, that I could make a journal out of them. I have not done that yet, but I thought I'd like to. And this one I think is adorable. It's kind of bent on the side, but it is not torn up. So it's a bigger one. It's a McCall's. She's written on it, but that's okay. I think that adds to it. But I think that would be one that I might like to. It's bigger than the normal. I really like that. Then there's this one, and it is just adorable. Look at that. I think this is Barbie. Yeah, doll. No, 17.5-inch doll. That's like a Chrissy doll. I don't know. And then look at this one. I've never seen one like this. Look, she's peeking into the cradle, the bassinet. That looks like a bassinet I had for my babies. But it had really lacy. It was so pretty. This one's really pretty, but it's kind of coming apart. I don't know if there's dates. I don't see anything, but I think this is just beautiful. I love it. Her dress is buttoned down. I love her little bow. Never seen one like that from the back. And then here's this one. She's got her little kitty, and she's so happy. She's drinking her tea. Well, she is too, I guess. I totally missed her. This one's 1965. I don't know. This one doesn't have... I found the date on that one right away. Oh, that one's Simplicity, that's why. That one's McCall's. And then this one's pretty. It's really aged, but I thought it was so pretty. I just love this little girl. She's looking up in wonder, I think. Like, so pretty. think they put dates on the macaws for some reason. It's older. It's been around a while, but... And then look at these happy girls. They're so pretty. This one's 1970 something, I bet, if I found a date on it. Oh, 1968. I was wrong. Getting close to 1970. This one I thought was cute. It's not as old. Probably no date, because it's in my calls. No. Oh, wait, they did. 1967. Hey. Good year. And look at these girls. She's walking her dog. Look like they're ready for a nice sunny afternoon. 1967. Okay, then I found these cards. I don't have a clue. What's your word? But some of them I thought would, I mean, I'll put them in journals, but some of them I thought might be good. Like that says my word is because, but what is most important to you? I thought some of them would be good for my granddaughter's book. What do you spend too much time doing? But there's not a lot of them, but there's some. And then some of them will be great for adult books. How do you show love for others? What makes you feel loved? What does the world need more of? What is your perfect day? I'll put that one in hers for sure. Who are your heroes? I just thought those were really kind of cool. Neat for journals. Then this book, Singing Your Praises, Paintings by Carolyn Shore Wright. I mean, if that doesn't get your attention. And I love to have birds in my projects. This is from 1998, Harvest House Publishers. It's going to be hard because you have to sacrifice one bird for the other bird. So, they're adorable. Oh, there's a Helen Keller. Look at this. I mean, honestly. That one's easy. I would take the other side, I think, unless I just needed that for a project. They're just... I just fell in love with this. Look at this. And that is beautiful to have, you know, along him. Oh my goodness. Or her. I guess it's probably a her. I don't know. Singing her heart out. I'd show you all because it's just a small little book. Love it. So there's that. And then I found this little postcard, and I had my arms full. I couldn't pay attention. And they had a box of postcards, and I felt this one, and I was like, oh, I like that one. I get that. That's $1. I think that's pretty. I really don't have postcards. I got home and I turned it over. This was sent in 1991. But, I mean, I'll use the front of it and something. The rest of them in there were old. You could tell they were old. And I liked the front of that one. Okay. So then I found the Blue Book of Birds of America. So I've never seen these. I only got one. There was a yellow book, a green book, and a red book, I think. It's a Whitman. But, it's a Roman numerals. But, I'm not, the pictures are okay. But they don't do very much for me. They're okay. But I'm not crazy over them. And I was about to buy all 4 of them, but then I found something else that made me think I don't need all 4 of those because... Is that a feather? No, it's part of the book. It's like, whoa. I turn around and there's this. I'm gonna get a drink real quick. So then I decided, no, this is good. $3. I have this. What's the cover? Oh, it's just blue. This book, if you like birds in your projects, this is the book. The Encyclopedia Birds. I don't know. This, 1990, Marshall Editions Developments Limited. There's the information about it. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't. I don't know, where is the number? I don't see that number. You need to look for it. Huh. I don't see that. What is it? ISBN or what? Wait, what is that? ISB something. I don't see that number anymore. I don't see it. Anyway, this is an amazing book. Let's get past all of this. Past that. Back in here. And it starts doing this. This. Every other page is birds. Let's get back in here. Let's get back where... Okay, let's get... Let's get back where we're gonna... Sorry, I'm trying to... Well, look at this. I love that bird. They're beautiful. They are beautiful. I just looked in this book at one of these pages. I opened it and I think it landed on that one back there. And then I flipped it a little bit and I was like, I'm buying this book. Look at this. If you like owls. Oh my goodness. Yep. And you don't have to sacrifice because there's writing on the other side. More owls. Hummingbirds. Hummingbirds. And a lot of these are the size that would fit in projects that, you know, that we usually do, because we don't need humongous birds like this, but most of them are not. Oops, I missed some. But it just keeps going and going and going and going and going and going. I mean, this is like the book. I could not believe I found this book, and I paid $3 for it. Now, I don't usually pay $3 for a book, but I felt like this one was well worth $3. chances of me finding this in the bins or finding this at my thrift store, probably pretty low, because this was going to sell at it would have sold, and I would not have found this. And then if it went to my thrift store, chances of me finding it, you know, would I have found it? So yeah. Okay, this is a $2 bag of stuff. So we're going to see what is in here. So first we have some lace, and I like it because it's the right color. And there's quite a bit of it. And then we have this one. That's pretty. It's just flat. I like that. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. Ooh, I love that. When I saw the bag, I just grabbed it because a lot of people were in the room looking, and I knew I loved the colors of everything, and it looked like it had lots of texture. This is pretty. And I thought, yeah, I'll be able to use $2 worth of stuff in there. This looks like it might be more of that. This is really pretty. Yeah, I like that. My computer. Is my video still loading? Yes. In fact, it's about to get done. I need to keep an eye on that. Let me get my volume turned down so you don't all of a sudden hear me blabbing. My video is about done. Okay, that's really pretty. That would look really pretty, just this on something. Okay, what is this? Oh, look at this. That's very interesting. Okay. Oh, I love that. I just got to think of ways to use all this. It's beautiful. What's this? Oh, that's a cross. That's a cross. I put that in my Bible, my journaling Bible. Ooh, love that. I was around something, probably a pillowcase or something. Ooh, I love it. This is white. This is the only thing. Well, whatever that is. That's stark white. It's pretty though. I can tea-dye it. What is this? Very pretty. Is this the same thing? No. Oh, what? What have we got? I don't know what this is, but I really like it though. It doesn't bother me that it's kind of all chewed up. I will chew it up more, and I won't feel bad. I can cut up little pieces and put it into clusters. That is lovely. Yeah, I'm all for that. This is just a little bit here. What is this? Oh, this is just felt. Here's a little, like, just a flower. Ooh, I love that. Won't that look cool in a cluster? Yeah. This is oh, here's another one. This is a good little bag. Here's more of this chewed up stuff. That will get just cut up and put in clusters. This will too. And here is some. And somebody will probably, I'll probably put some of this in swaps or racks or something along the way. Yeah. Oh, here's more little stars. I joined a group where I'm doing some racks or stuff, and I'm really enjoying it because it's flat letters. It's not like, you don't have to go spend 30 bucks and have all these fancy things. You just have a flat letter, and I'm enjoying it. That's why I quit. Years ago I quit doing any swaps. I was really enjoying them, and then it just all of a sudden, like, you had to have like all this stuff and make all this fancy stuff, and you had to have like a box full of stuff. It turned into like Christmas all of a sudden, And I thought, holy cow, I'm not doing this. I liked it back when we made our project. We made whatever we were sending, our ATC or whatever, and we maybe put a few little things in there and we sent it off. And then all of a sudden, wow, it went. But anyway, that was a $2 bag. Let me tell you, I'm glad I grabbed that bag. There wasn't any more of them. I'll keep that out to fit in my Bible. And I don't need to wash this. That house was immaculate, and this has no smell, no nothing. It's very clean. And the house her fabric was immaculate. I'm hoping there's still some fabric there when I get there tomorrow. Oh, my video just got done. I'm glad I turned my volume down. So that is my estate haul, estate sale haul. I couldn't get it out. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you're having a blessed day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.